Since the dawn of time, humans have looked at the sky and dreamed of flying. Watching birds glide across the clouds, people wondered, what if we could soar like them? For centuries, many tried and failed. From Leonardo da Vinci's flying sketches to strange contraptions with flapping wings, every attempt ended with broken machines and broken hopes. But in the late 1800s, in a small bicycle shop in Dayton, Ohio, two brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, began to dream differently. They weren't rich or famous or scientists. They repaired bicycles for a living. But they had something far more powerful: curiosity and persistence. They studied the wings of birds for years, sketching, measuring, and learning how the air flowed around feathers. They built small gliders and tested them in open fields. Every time they failed, they asked themselves, what went wrong? And tried again. In 1900, they traveled to the windy dunes of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, where the constant breeze was perfect for testing. They faced sandstorms, crashes, and skepticism from everyone around them. But they never stopped. Finally, on December 17, 1903, their machine, the Wright Flyer, was ready. The brothers flipped a coin to decide who would fly first. Orville won. He lay face down on the wooden frame, hands gripping the controls. Wilbur steadied the wing. The engine sputtered, and then the impossible happened. The flyer lifted off the ground and stayed in the air for 12 seconds, traveling 36 meters. Just 12 seconds. But those 12 seconds changed human history forever. Later that day, they made 3 more flights, each one longer than the last. For the first time, humanity had truly flown. Newspapers barely noticed. Some people didn't even believe it happened. But within a few years, the world caught up. And soon, flight transformed travel, exploration, and even our understanding of distance itself. The Wright brothers proved something far greater than flight: that dreams don't need wings, only courage to take off. Every great idea starts with curiosity, persistence, and the words, let's try. Like the story, subscribe, and stay curious with Mind Story for You, where stories spark ideas.